Hey Happy Fam, have you eaten yet? Well, I hope not, because today we're making 3 steamed egg. Now this is the sort of dish that you're not gonna find at any local Chinese restaurant. This is sort of like a Chinese home cooking recipe that only your mom, your grandma, or your auntie can make for you. And so here at Yappy's Kitchen, I wanted to preserve that culture of Chinese home cooking. So I thought I would show you how we did it at home. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your fresh eggs, okay? And you're gonna need about 3 of them. Then you'll also need your preserved eggs. Now here I have 2 centurion eggs, and these are your dark kinds. And then I also have 1 salted duck egg, and I've already gone ahead and boiled this for about 10 to 15 minutes. You're gonna need a little bit of cooking oil, some light soy sauce, sesame oil, and a little bit of sugar. And you're also going to need a little bit of ground pork and salt and pepper. And that's all the ingredients you'll need. So let's get started. Let's start off by cracking our eggs. So you're gonna need, I actually changed my mind, you're gonna need about 4 eggs. Perfect. And the reason why I'm straining it is because I want to get rid of all these little bits that are still in the egg. I just really want a smooth consistency in the eggs because it's supposed to be like a smooth custard. So as you can see here, there's still little bits, which is from the egg. So this is what we don't want, okay? We want a nice smooth consistency like this. Now let's work on our ground pork, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slightly cook this over a frying pan. I didn't cook it all the way through, but that's okay because we're gonna cook it a lot more in the steamer. So what I'm gonna do now is just kind of cut that up. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just throw that right in there. Okay, so I'm gonna start steaming this now, and I don't have a steamer, so I'm just gonna use my Dutch oven, okay? Whoops. And I've set up like a little, oops, I have a little rack in there just to hold up the dish. And we're gonna leave this steaming for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna put the centurion eggs on top later. And I'm just gonna keep a little gap here to let some of the steam out. Okay, while that's going on in the back, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my centurion egg. And I think I got a little bit greedy earlier because I actually think I only need 1 centurion egg, not 2. So I think I'm gonna actually only use 1. And usually it comes in like, it comes like this. It has like a little bit of hay and clay over it. So you're gonna have to remove that clay, and you're probably gonna have to run it through some water too. So. preserved egg on top, my centurion eggs. So one of the things my mom taught me was whenever you get green onions, you want to make sure that you get the really thin kinds and not the coarse, thick kinds. That is if you're using it as a garnish. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sesame oil in here. And I'm going to put a little bit of sugar. Okay, I'm going to add just a touch of water. Just a touch, not a lot. And then we're going to go in and put our onions. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and I think it's cooked now. Okay, let's give this a try. So good, just like mom's. It's delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and be sure to click like and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below what you think about this recipe, or what you think I should make next. Until next time, I'm Kate from my Yappy's Kitchen. That's my dog Heidi.